As discussed before, LiDAR points can be classified to represent specific features, such as buildings or land cover categories, such as water, vegetation, and bare ground. The American Society for Photogrammetry and Remote Sensing, or ASPRS, developed standard LiDAR classifications, but custom classes can also be defined to meet project-specific needs. Occasionally, you may encounter the use of a custom classification scheme that is not documented. The lack of class descriptions can make the classification useless. Simplified versions of the ASPRS scheme may include unclassified ground and water. These classes are represented in the top half of the image, above the grey line. The bottom half of the image presents a more complete but more expensive classification that includes low vegetation, high vegetation, and buildings. Classification information is useful for querying or extracting information from LiDAR data and can be used, for example, to determine the volume or height of buildings or vegetation, and to easily select all ground points to develop a bare earth surface.